Hello and thank you for watching another video from YouTube channel. I have a mix of outraged drivers, brake checks and those who have been handed karma on a cold platter. You should keep an eye out for these folks and be cautious out there since they might be just around the corner, or right in front of you. Take a break and grab a bite to eat. Let's get this party started. In this video you see people who are crazy with anger. I think that the driver made actions that would endanger the life of the biker. The biker is attacking the men with great anger. The men who are afraid of the biker immediately run away.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
This video proof that not everyone should be given a driver's license. How would you react if you saw a vehicle coming towards you from the opposite direction while driving at night? Some drivers have to take several tests to get their license and require average intelligence to get a license. The biker has a funny reaction in this situation. Let's see.
Hey, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing, idiot? Idiot! Idiot! Wow! Hey, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing, idiot? I don't know where I'm
Idiot! Bald men are usually more irritable. I don't know why. This man is very angry, yelling at the biker. Let's see what's the problem.
You aren't you?
You prick! That coat was f***ing out! The f*** off!
Hey?
Yeah, what's up with you?
Ronnie Pickering. Hey, Ronnie.
It's a beautiful day to ride a motorcycle. This is a long and quiet forest road. The bikers continue as a group. There is only engine noise around, but soon you will see the shovel man. Are you wondering who the shovel man is? Let's see.
I got him on camera, it's all good.
You're decent guys. Why are you hanging around with the asshole?
Actually, I'm pretty sure I know.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I'm sure motorcyclists will not choose this road again, because at any moment they can come across the shovel man and his brother. After the shovel man and his brother, a new one is coming. Name is Spray Karen. Bikers wait by the roadside to rest after a little off-road ride. But danger is near. Spray Karen and her husband have a verbal argument with the bikers. The Spray Karen movements are interesting and funny. Let's see.
Oh. I don't know, we got stuck in that forest from the beginning. We're trying to find our way back. Oh no, we'll leave. We're not trying to mean any harm.
Private property. I don't know what kind of roads are over here. I mean, I'll police me what?
No, we're just.
Or you can be my little friend. I mean,
we're just trying.
Come near you. We're just trying. We got lost.
We'll leave.
Private property. I mean, you want to see how this works?
We're sorry. We're just trying to leave.
5 million. I mean, you want to see how it works?
Hey, man.
I see anybody on my private property.
I'm sorry.
There's
We're
enough
sorry.
for you people stealing cars, scratching cars, stealing houses. There's too many thefts
Yeah,
around here.
we'll leave.
You should not be on private property.
We didn't think these woods were your
It doesn't
property.
matter. This is private property. How do I
Yeah, we're leaving. We'll leave.
How do I know you're not trying to steal anything from my house?
No, we're just trying to find somewhere to ride. Yeah.
That means this land belongs to people.
Next time I see you guys, I'm gonna find it as a
No.
threat and I'm gonna mace
We
you.
won't come back. I promise. I'm
This is not a
so.
gun. This is
I'm
not
sorry.
a weapon. This is mace.
We're sorry.
I have kids in that house.
We're
How do I
sorry.
know you're not here to rob us? How do I even know you're not here to rob my car?
We're not trying to mean any
How
harm.
do I know that?
I don't know. I'm
Said
sorry.
so?
I'm sorry. We'll leave. Yo, Sam.
Safe, just, just be careful next time, man.
Yeah.
You may think that the woman is crazy from her actions. The bikers are afraid of the spray woman's return and immediately flee the scene.
Go.
How would you react if someone you don't know said bad things to your engine? Sometimes it's easy to get motorcyclists angry. Let's see.
Legal to lane split. Hey, is this legal?
Bikers may not always be visible to car drivers. This is because the engine is small, but some drivers do not look in the mirrors and think that the traffic belongs to them. That's why we often see fights in traffic, but in this video there is a calm biker and driver.
Hey dude, it happens all the time. I didn't mean to overreact like that. You just scared the shit out of me.
My fault.
No, it's cool, man.
Always, I yell at people like, dude, you guys need to see motorcycles.
Yeah, I know, man. It was just in that spot where when you did your head check, I was in your blind spot. I mean,
I didn't see.
yeah, it just happens, dude. I didn't mean to freak out on you like that. I'm sorry.
I would have crapped myself.
Yeah. Didn't mean to scare you guys. Have a good day, okay? Bye.
The biker is traveling on a wide road. He will soon have a long argument with the driver of the vehicle passing by at a fast pace. The discussion of the biker and the driver continues even on the go.
You bro?
Yeah, man, you gotta drive safe, bro. What the f is that? What do you mean, bro? You cut me off. You, bro. You wanna go to jail? Do you wanna go to jail, bro? You wanna go to jail? Dude, you wanna go to jail. I got you on camera, bro. I got your plates. Alright, I got you, bro. I got you, bro.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.